Hello everyone and welcome to this review of the Samsung Q800B Soundbar. If you're in the market for a versatile and powerful sound system, this soundbar is a great option to consider. In this video, we'll go over the top features and benefits of the Samsung Q800B to help you make an informed decision. Wireless Dolby Atmos. The Samsung Q800B is a revolutionary soundbar, being the world's first to offer a built-in wireless Dolby Atmos connection to Samsung smart TVs. With wireless Dolby Atmos transmission via Wi-Fi, this soundbar brings the ultimate 3D sound experience to your living room without any cables. It's a great option for those who want to enjoy movies, TV shows, and music with captivating and immersive audio. True 5. 1. 2-channel sound. With 5 front and surround channels, 1 subwoofer channel, 2 up-firing channels, and side speakers, the Samsung Q800B delivers a complete audio environment with true 5. 1. 2-channel sound. The sound moves around you for a captivating entertainment experience. You'll feel like you're part of the story, surrounded by sound from all directions. Space Fit sound. The Space Fit sound feature optimizes your audio to match your room. The soundbar can analyze the room on its own and calibrate the sound field to fit your space, delivering clear and immersive sound. Voice Assistant and Cast Services. The Samsung Q800B offers voice assistant and cast services for ultimate control. With Alexa built in, you can find what you're looking for without lifting a finger. You can also stream music straight from your mobile device using AirPlay. Adaptive sound. Adaptive sound lets you hear voices clearly, even on low volumes. The soundbar analyzes the sound signal to deliver optimized sound based on each scene. You'll never miss a quiet conversation in your favorite shows and movies. Game Mode Pro and Active Voice Amplifier. For an immersive gaming experience, the Samsung Q800B has a Game Mode Pro that enhances the scene with subwoofers and up-firing speakers. Active Voice Amplifier clarifies dialogue in movies and TV shows, so you can follow the story easily. HDMI EARC and 1 remote. With HDMI EARC, you can enjoy quality and lossless 3D surround sound from connected gaming consoles and UBD players. The Samsung Q800B also comes with 1 remote that lets you control key functions with your Samsung TV remote. Wireless TV connection and Q Symphony. You can connect the Samsung Q800B to your TV wirelessly with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for an enjoyable TV time. The Q Symphony feature syncs the soundbar and Samsung TV for a new level of acoustic immersion. That's it for our review of the Samsung Q800B soundbar. With its versatile and powerful features, this soundbar is a great option for mixed usage and immersive entertainment. The wireless Dolby Atmos, True 5. 1. 2-channel sound, space fit sound, and voice assistant and cast services are just a few of the top features that make the Samsung Q800B a great investment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.